This is a tutorial for a gargoyle pose on the pole, so you should already really be comfortable in your genie to do this move, and you should be comfortable with a little bit of twist and upper arch in the spine. An arch in the upper spine. So we're going to just talk about the position from the floor first. So let's just say we know what the genie looks like. That's what the genie looks like on the pole. So we're just kind of going to pretend that we would have been in that position. So we'd be there. You drop down to the side, your head goes towards the floor, and then because you're going that way, you reach round. So if my left leg's on the bottom, I'm reaching for my right foot with my left hand, and my right hand goes on the left foot, and I lift up. That's essentially what the position is. So I just turn around to show you. That's what the position looks like up the pole. So if you're struggling with that on the floor, it's probably best to try and get it on the floor first before you go up the pole. So that's essentially what it looks like. So if we just switch to the other side while we're down, we're there. So you drop in to one side, both knees go to one side. Obviously when you're up the pole, your head will be going down towards the floor. You reach round for the back foot, but a key idea here is that I'm folding over the bottom leg, and that's really important. I'm not just trying to reach round to the foot because that makes it a lot harder. I'm coming down towards the leg, and then I'm reaching back, then I'm taking this hand off the pole, and then I'm lifting up to there, and there's the position. So if we just look at that up the pole now, please don't make sure you don't wear socks when you do this, because if your hand slips on the sock, it might hurt if you fall. Okay, you should be able to grip your skin, and that's really, really important. So let's go up the pole. So let's just do it from standing. That's all you need to do. Just from standing, just to get comfortable. Make sure you low down onto the floor. So I'm going to go up into the genie pose. So I'll just go around just to stop myself. So I'm there. I want both feet to kind of point into one another. So there, I come down, I reach, fold into the bottom leg. So I'll just come around to show you. I'm folding into the bottom leg, and I'm reaching for the top foot with that outside hand. Once I've got hold of the foot, I'll just turn around a little bit for you. Once I've got hold of that foot and it feels comfortable, I then grab the bottom leg and I start to lift through the chest. I then release, just come back the way I came to stand out. And that is your gargoyle pose in isolation. So go and try it both sides.